Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to permanently delete your Telegram account. Whether you're switching to another app or just want a fresh start, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure to follow each step carefully to ensure your account is properly deleted. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Telegram FAQ. In the FAQ section, scroll down until you find the section titled Your Account. Tap on Delete your Telegram account. Click on the red link that says Deactivation Page. This will open a web page in your browser. On the deactivation page, enter your phone number in international format and tap Next. You will receive a confirmation code in your Telegram app. Enter that code on the web page and tap Sign In. You will be asked why you are leaving. This step is optional, so you can skip it or write your reason. Click on Delete My Account. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Yes, delete my account. And that's it. Your Telegram account is now permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may need this guide.